In this video, I want to show you how you can add, let's say, predefined elements to your Nebula visual. For example, if you know exactly what dimensions you want an element to be in terms of pixels, do you want what color you want it to be? Do you want transparency? Do you want a border radius, borderline, and so on? Because by default, if I say add a rectangle, I get this rectangle that I think it's 100 times 100 pixels. It has a borderline of like a black borderline around, it's white, and so on. So, for example, let me delete this one. So, for example, if let's say I have 4 KPI cards and I want to prepare boxes for those cards. Um, what I can do, if you go to the format your visual, you have these default settings for right now for rectangle and circle. So, for example, if I say rectangle, I say let's change this to 250, let's change this to 150. I want a 10 border radius and I don't want any like border line. And color, yeah, let's keep it at white for now. So now when I go to add an element, add a rectangle, I get the dimensions, the um, let's say features that I defined in my default rectangle in the format your visual settings. So here now, let's say I have 4 KPIs. I can really just add 4 rectangles. And if this is something I predefined before, I saw that this is exactly what I want. Let me just fix this a little bit. Then it speeds up your, let's move it up a bit. It speeds up the, yeah, creation of your report.